So one of my earlier prototypes has been out here for over a year, but they're able to pick it out and make a mess, get the feed out of that container. So I'm going to redo that one actually. These containers are cat food, and they're very thick plastic. And you'll see why I use the tools that I use, and that seems to work best. I may still need to tape. Yeah, I will tape that side. But I took photos while I made this, and I didn't video it, and I'll see if I can do a voiceover to explain. But the images should explain by themselves. I'm hoping that now they have access to the feed through a hole down there, and they can't kick it out and waste this, because when it rains, this is all just going to become fertilizer. Storm's coming in. Let me finish up. So we had a nice rain, about half an inch to an inch, and this one doesn't leak. Some of them do, and I'll just try to see if I can duct tape where they might be leaking, but they tend to be leaking on the side somehow, like the water drips and comes back up or something. But this way I'm not going to waste it. I only have 8 birds in here, and with 9 and to 11, this full bucket would last a couple of days, actually more than a couple of days. And I would only have to fill it up once or twice a week, depending on how full I made it to begin with. It's all filled up. There's only 8 birds in this run now, so I'll see how long it takes, and may comment in another video or in the descriptions how long this takes. I am working on other things. I do like these containers. Are lasting more than a year. The blue Lowe's buckets are not lasting a year, so, and I can't get the gray buckets. They lasted a long time out in the sun too. So sharing that. And the bigger juice bottle, you can use the regular juice bottles. It's half a gallon, and have it vertical, you know, where the long part would be this way, and their heads can go in and do that. And you can do it from end to end, but this way I can just do it with one big one. And they're able to share. This is not an issue. I throw treats into the run. Right now they're free ranging. That's why they're not in here bugging me. Yeah. And here's a picture of one with the water in another coop. And the plastic is thick enough to support the cups, the water cups for poultry. I like that. So I hope this helped you. And again, I'm open to suggestions, what I can do that's easier. I've tried other tools for cutting this plastic, a Dremel, tin snips, some really crazy serious scissors, and the jigsaw worked the best. And the 2 holes, because I couldn't go make my way around because of the lip right there. So you have to come back, and you know, the holes have to be, the arch has to be made from both sides and across that way. I do have some shears, but I have more control with the jigsaw than I do with the shears as far as making curves like that. For a straight cut, I would do the shear. But anyway, let me know what you think, and be a blessing and be blessed.